All right, everyone, here's that crazy weather I was talking about. Beautiful day today, almost all day, and now we are expecting potential tornadoes, high winds up to 80 miles per hour, and hail. Big hail, not little hail. I've seen anywhere from 2 inches to greater than 3 inches. Not excited because I have all of these plants that I just planted. So I'm gonna bring you along with me as I try to protect them. I have some totes that I'm gonna cover everything with, and then I'm gonna put some paver stones on top of them. Fingers crossed that will help me protect them. So I'll take you along the journey while I cover these all up. Sorry about that. I'll get you back up here. Helping me carry out all these papers, and then I'll show you what we got going on. Okay. So we are all done. I had some helpers, thank goodness. I just realized I need to go get like a 5-gallon bucket to cover the blackberries, but this is what we're doing. I wish there wasn't going to be hail. I would leave them uncovered if there was no hail so that we could get some good rain into the soil, but because of the hail and the high winds, I'm a little nervous. I don't want to lose my baby plants, so I'm covering them all to protect them for now. And I just wanted to show you an easy way, if you plant early like me, to protect them so they don't get destroyed by the hail. Thanks for checking in with me. Stay safe. God bless.